Today's trade was in Tech Mahindra with a target of 1:1 ratio, so watch the entire video for detailed explanation. Now let's get started. Placing my order in Tech Mahindra at 7:24. I'll just put this long position here at 7:24. My stop loss is below this swing low at 1950. This is 5-minute time frame. And our target is of 5 rupees, which is yesterday's high. So from 24 to 5 rupees is 29 till here, yesterday's high. So why did I take this trade? What are the reasons? I'll explain you entire thing after we complete this trade. The time is 10 o'clock and we have achieved our target, but the sad thing is that I didn't get to add more positions here. You can see these two big candles. Market went up very fast and I couldn't add more positions. So the only profit we did is just 250 rupees on 50 quantity. So the reasons for today's trade are: number one reason, market opened gap down. So normally when market opens gap down, it will cover the gap which has created by opening gap down. So that's the first reason. The second reason is people are getting money. The sellers who are getting money, they will book their position. So the reverse will happen. So market will go automatically upward when they book their position. So that was the second reason. The third reason is we will go in daily time frame and we can see Tech Mahindra is in uptrend. So it had a higher probability that it will continue its uptrend. So that is the third reason. Again, let's move to 5-minute time frame. We can see this price action which made. So price opened here, it went down, again it tried to go up but found rejection and came down, and after all it broke this high. So that was the fourth reason. And the last reason is this trend line. Price has been following this trend line very well. So today as well it touches this trend line and goes up. This is 3-hour time frame. We can also see in 5 minutes time frame that price. I'll just remove all this drawing and our trend line also went. Draw again. So we can see here touches here, it touches here, touches, and today as well it touches here, takes supports and goes up. So that was the fifth reason for taking this trade. If I feel I am getting a better opportunity, I may take a trade today. Otherwise, I'll close my system and we'll finish for the day. I did get an opportunity here in PVR after price broke this trend line, but took a decision of not to trade and follow my rules of one trade a day and also respect my profit even though it is very less. The mistake I made is not adding extra quantity, so that's accepted and hope to improve in the next trade. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up to us and subscribe for such honest and informative content. I'll see you in the next one.